GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, and accordingly, GIMP is an imaging software which can be used to work with photos, make illustrations, and even do professional design work. Sadly, GIMP has long been given a questionable reputation when put next to the spotlight of expensive industry-standard design softwares. But the truth is that GIMP can give us just as much horsepower for most of the common jobs that graphic designers face in today's world. And being a free software that works on almost any operating system, there's really little excuse not to add it to your design arsenal. Whether you be a hobbyist, a professional designer, or even an illustrator, GIMP has what it takes to get the job done. Unfortunately, such as with any dynamic software, learning can be a frustrating uphill struggle. GIMP is packed with so many creative tools, scripts, and plugins that a beginner might feel daunted to advance their skills. But not to worry, because I've taken care of all that with my instructional video course, Learn GIMP. In this course, I'll take you through all of the essential tools, menus, and plugins to get you started in your choice of photo manipulation, graphic design, illustration, or maybe even just having fun playing with images or making art. This course includes live demonstration of all practical tools and techniques, and includes expert tips which will save you years of trial and error headache. So go ahead and sign up now. I look forward to seeing you in class.